Nice thoughts, readers. So what happened? Crops were destroyed and buildings were damaged. That was the big, scary thing that happened. Why did that happen? Why were the crops destroyed and the buildings damaged? Because hailstones were tossed up and down by the winds, or you could have said that the hail came down. The hail caused the crops to be destroyed and the buildings to be damaged. And so the author used a cause and effect connection between those two ideas. What happened? The crops were destroyed and the buildings were damaged. Why did that happen? Because the hailstones were tossed up and down by the wind. Now I want you to get a chance to try out this work. Many of you brought home this graphic organizer from your school. It's called Describing Connections. There are actually two sections on this page because you're going to use one today during lesson 1, and then you're going to use section 2 tomorrow during lesson 2. I only want you to look at section 1 today. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to reread page 278 of Superstorms in Journeys 2.1. If you don't have your Journeys text at home, I'll have this page on the next Nearpod slide. Then you're going to ask yourself, what happened? Why did that happen? And you're going to record your thinking on this graphic organizer in section 1. You're going to think, what happened? And jot it right here under the effect. You're going to think, why did that happen? And you're going to jot that answer right here on your graphic organizer to see if the author used a cause and effect relationship to connect his ideas. And then if you have time, you can try this with your own independent reading books. Is the author of your informational text that you're reading on your own using cause and effect to connect their ideas? Maybe so. All right, readers, if you don't have this Describing Connections graphic organizer in your text, I'll make it a draw-out slide so that you can just type your answers in there. Okay. If you don't have those materials, head to the next Nearpod slide. If you do have these materials, head off and have your fun in your independent reading. Don't forget to come back here and reflect on your lesson. See you later.